Hi guys, and welcome to Trinket Corner. Today I will be doing another Harry Potter DIY tutorial. This time it's featuring a Patronus. Our Patronus will be fighting dementors, so we start making small dementors. To make dementors, I twist some wires, take a piece of cheesecloth, damp it in watered down PVA, and then place it on the wires. I make several copies and leave them to dry for one day. Make sure to put a napkin under them because while they are drying, the water will be dripping. When your dementors are completely dry, it's time to paint them black. To make sure they are completely black, put several layers of paint. I just realized that if you want to do a Harry Potter themed Christmas tree, this is actually a good idea for dementor ornaments. Make sure to leave at least one wire in place. It will help you to hold the dementor while you are painting. I will be making my Patronus from UV resin. I wanted to create a classic stag Patronus because Harry's Patronus was a stag. But you, of course, can do any other animal you like. This silicone mold was bought from Amazon. As usual, I will put the links to all the products I used in the description box. I'm using transparent UV resin and white UV resin to give the stag more ghostly, ethereal look. I add transparent UV resin into the mold and start adding the white in small quantities. I use a chopstick to eliminate border lines between white and transparent, but I do not mix them too well. I work in several thin layers and I dry them properly under the lamp. To give my Patronus a more radiant look, I will be using a strip of LED lights. I fold the wires so the light bulbs are maximum close to each other. I will glue them behind the deer so they illuminate its head and body. In order to hide the light bulbs, I will create a small styrofoam hill, and the deer will be standing on that hill. I hot glue pieces of styrofoam and start cutting. The stag or Patronus will be standing at the base of the rock, and lights will be embedded inside the rock. I also dig a small path to hide the wire. I hot glue the lights and use putty to give it more natural texture. The putty also helps to hide any seams you may have. I make sure not to cover any of the light bulbs. I paint the whole rock black, everything except for the strip of light. Then I add gray highlights. When the rock is fully dry, I glue on the stag. To make our box, I will be using 2 old picture frames that I already have. I simply paint them in black from both sides and let them dry. There were no glasses with this frame, so I used transparent foil. I simply glued them on and hid all the seams with small stripes of cardboard. I cut 4 pieces of cardboard to make top, bottom, and 2 walls. I paint everything black, and when they are dry, we can start to assemble our Patronus lamp. I glue on 2 frames onto the base and then add the stag. Now it's time to add dementors. I simply glue them on the walls wherever I feel it will look better. I forgot to film the process of gluing on the walls, but this is pretty straightforward. And this is the final result. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.